Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Chrysler 300D generation right here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, where the canister valve fuses and relays are located, if you have a cold problem with the canister valve, always check these fuses and relays. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the video for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the canister valve fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Chrysler 300. By the way, if you want to see how to test purge valve, canister valve, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. We'll be working two fuse boxes. The first one, we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood on your Chrysler 300 facing the engine, you may have a V6 or V8. On the left side here, that's the passenger side, you have the main engine fuse box. Here, press these two tabs together and pull the cover out. Underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the canister valve, which fuses we need to check? Actually, there is very limited information about that. That's why we need to check our engine management fuses, relays. There will be quite a few of those, but one of them, most likely the function is integrated in one of those for the canister valve. If you come, that's 1, 2, 3, that third row of fuses. Here you need to check fuse 31, that fuse right here. You need to check fuse 34, 35, 37, relay 63, which is known as ASD relay. Then you need to go ahead and open the trunk. In the trunk, leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, that's the car battery, and behind it you have a fuse box. Now that fuse box, squish the tabs together, pull the cover out, you got that layout here, guys. We need to check relay 29 here. Some of you may have relay 14. If you have it, check it as well, guys, but that's what we usually check on Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.